Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of sleep technology with a Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband. Let's see if this innovative product lives up to the hype. The Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband offers a 3-in-1 solution. It's a Bluetooth headband, sport headphones, and wireless sleep aid all in one. Whether you're hitting the gym, meditating, or simply trying to catch some Z's, this versatile device has got you covered. One standout feature of these headphones is their ultra-thin speakers, perfect for side sleepers. Unlike traditional bulky headphones, these speakers are comfortably integrated into a soft headband, ensuring a cozy and uninterrupted night's rest. But don't just take our word for it. Users have been raving about the comfort and sound quality of the Perytong sleep headphones. One satisfied customer writes, "As a side sleeper, traditional headphones were always uncomfortable and fell out during the night. This headband's soft fabric and flat speakers make it incredibly comfortable to wear, even for extended periods." Another feature worth mentioning is the seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Pairing your device with these headphones is a breeze, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts without any hassle. And it's not just for sleeping. One user shares, "I've also used this headband during workouts, jogging, and yoga sessions. It stays in place securely without slipping, allowing me to enjoy my activities without interruption." Now, let's talk battery life. The Perytong sleep headphones boast an impressive battery life, providing over 10 hours of playback time on just a single charge. Say goodbye to waking up to a dead battery mid-song. So, is the Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband worth the investment? With its comfortable design, excellent sound quality, and long-lasting battery life, we'd say it's a resounding yes. Whether you're a side sleeper, fitness enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys a good night's rest, this product is sure to impress. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, sleep tight and happy listening.